Hello guys, for this episode of Raise Your Meme, I'll be looking at Blue Flame Master Resistance, both 100 Demon builds and Magic World builds. First of all, this deck sucks, but it's okay alright, if you want to continue watching. It's not that Blue Flame Master Resistance is a bad card, it's just in the current format, it can't catch up and its effect is quite meh. Due to many anti-destructions, it just could not hold on, but it might be a different story in tier meme. Let's take a look on this card, shall we? Blue Flame Master Resistance, a size 3 monster, 6k power, 3 crits and 5k defense, with the ability of Counteract. Pay 5 gauge. If you do, destroy all monsters and items on the field other than this card. Its ability is your answer to level 10 deck with his mass item destructions ability, and thanks to Bushrock for giving him an counter effect. Play a buddy set of it. Now for another version of Resistance is Seal Master Resistance, size 2, 4k power, 2 crits and 2k defense. Core cost or pay 1 life. When this card enters the field, put the top 2 cards of your deck into your gauge. Base cards and stepper for wizards. Play 4 copies of this if must, cause you need 5 gauge for the combo to run. Play as many as this. Another card that is belong to Blue Flame Master is Red Warlock's Disciple, Jessica. A size 0, 2k power, 1 crit and 1k defense. With the ability of Blue Flame Magic power, when this card into the field, if you have a card with Thundermine or size 3 wizard on your field, draw a card. Blue Flame Magic power only activate once per turn. This is your draw engine for this deck. It doesn't really help system with his combo, but come on, in buddy fight, you need draw power. Now for resource cards to help this deck, for 100 demons, put Guiding Demon, Dying Gas, Outbird Hati, Dragonite Pizarro, Ice Prison Emperor, Concertus Grid, Backfeeding Source, Demonic Way of 100 Demon, Akishoki, 100 Demon Sorcery, Venus Yusho, and lastly Star Flamingo. For Magic World, monster will be Lich SD and Dukenhide SD, Mana Booster Milquim, Transmitter Dendo, Dragon Wizard Tempest Wing, and Wish of Ruination Katie, the Devastator for draw power. Now starting from here is where it get a little bit difference. In Magic World, you probably need to play Gotcha deck. Use either the old Gotcha or new Gotcha, both will work. To get more gauge, use Gunrod Hammersmith type CLA, Expedite on stage, Bye Bye Lighter for more trolliness, and Great Spell Circle of Reservoir, Key of Solomon first volume, and Cautious, Never Say Never, cause why not, Sephiroth Lecturers, Overstands, cause Houston have a nice 3 crits, heck you can even play Flame Master's Genzak Diva if you want. For 100 demons, I split it into 3 playable deck builds. First is Ruler of Terror. Key card is 100 demons, sorcery, do or die, no brainer, and oh god, I'm probably gonna mispronounce it, but Ryuboku Shihai, and of course, Ruler of Terror itself. The idea here is to destroy as many of your opponent monsters to get the win con of Ruler of Terror. With its ability set, you cannot put card soul other than this card ability. When your card destroy your opponent's monster, put the top card of your deck into this card soul. When the total number of monsters with that hero or 100 demons in this card soul become 5 or more, you win the game. Try to put more monster cards in this deck and you get an easy win condition going on. The second deck build is Evil Deity Altar build, where you utilize Evil Deity Altar to repeatedly call Zeuston from your drop zone. Evil Deity Altar ability is the best. Evil Deity Altar ability is cast cost of putting the top 3 cards of your deck into this card soul. Set, when a monster on your field is destroyed, put the card from this card soul into the drop zone. When the number of cards in this card soul becomes 0, you may call a size 300 demons or demon lords from your drop zone on your center by paying its cost. Using Flying Dutchman to put Zeustons from your deck into the drop zone, and use Apocalypse Knight Brigade Power Rider to pull soul from Evil Deity Altar to call Zeustons faster. Now the third deck build is Thundermine build. Put some Thundermine that is easily to use to activate Heavenly Claws, Raikiri, Proto Golems, Jariim, and Battle Healer Doors effects. Use 100 Demon Formation Thundermine stance to continuously call back your Thundermine monster, or use there are no plans for you to run to get 2 Thundermine going on. That's all for Blue Flame Master Resistance. This deck profile of mine. As you can see, I utilize Evil Deity Altar and Thundermine to hybrids to let this deck going on. It's not the best build, but you can recommend me some of your deck profile if you want in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Juma Karungpu signing off.